All right. Today we have to do exterior work. Well, we kind of did pretty much everything, but we have to replace this joist cover, exterior joist cover. It's not a beam support. That board is just a 2x10, but we have to replace it because this membrane, it was cut right there by an accident, or whoever did that work, they didn't install properly. So the water was going in, so we have to replace it. All this work, it have to be done because it ruined the wood, it ruined all the wood. Kind of have to do pretty much over 40 feet. We replace that joist cover all the way to here because when the people installed this membrane, they just put it on top of the siding, so the water was going behind the membrane. This is where they left it. Bad work. So we already replaced all the 2x10s, and we're gonna put a new membrane. Fortunately, we don't have enough space, but we're working on it.